Welcome to Tampa in Florida, home to a magnificent piece of living history, the SS American Victory. She is one of only 3 fully operational Victory-class ships left in the United States. Built in just 55 days in 1945, this 455-foot cargo vessel survived the tail end of World War II, braved the ice of the Black Sea, and proudly served in both the Korean and Vietnam Wars. Today, she serves as Florida's official state flagship. But this isn't a museum where you just look at history behind glass. Here, you get to touch, listen, and experience it. Let's go aboard. Your tour begins in the cavernous cargo holds, spaces that once hold up to 1.5 million tons of wartime supplies, jeeps, and ammunition. Today, hold number 3 is a treasure trove of artifacts. You can marvel at intricate ship models, vintage uniforms, and the actual propeller of a German U-boat recovered right off the coast of Florida. Step outside onto the main deck and experience what it took to survive the open ocean. You can manually pump the ship's mechanical foghorn, and yes, it is delightfully loud. You can also step up and ring the ship's original brass bell, once used to signal watch changes and communicate in heavy fog. Take a close look at the fully equipped lifeboats, designed to hold 42 men at a time. You'll see the survival rations, the monkey ropes used to safely board, and the burial at sea beer that volunteers actually discovered hidden aboard the ship years later. As you wander through the ship's house, the contrast in living conditions is eye-opening. Step into the cramped Naval Armed Guard quarters, where young 17 and 18-year-old sailors practice hot bunking, sharing limited beds and sweltering heat. Then, walk down the hall to the captain's quarters, complete with a private dining mess, a telephone, and his own personal bathroom. Hungry? The Galley features the massive pans required to cook for the 65 to 70-man crew around the clock. When you sit at the bolted-down tables in the crew's mess hall, notice the heavy metal covers on the portholes. These were specifically designed to protect the crew's breakfast from incoming grenades while navigating shallow rivers during the Vietnam War. Though she was a cargo ship, the American Victory was ready to defend herself. Visitors are encouraged to climb right up into the seat of the 3-inch anti-aircraft gun. Thanks to dedicated local Boy Scouts and volunteers, the gun is perfectly maintained and still spins smoothly on its axis. Up in the wheelhouse and chart room, navigation remained frozen in time. You can view the master clock used to synchronize the entire ship and marvel at the antique magnetic compasses that guided her across the globe. Want to send a message? Whistle down the original brass talking tubes, a playground-like system used to instantly communicate with the engineers deep in the belly of the ship. And while you're in the wheelhouse, take in the spectacular views of Tampa Bay. You might catch a towering modern cruise ship passing by, or spot Tampa's famous Jose Gasparilla pirate ship docked right next door. For the brave, peer over the dizzying catwalk into the engine room. If you climb down the steep ladders, you'll feel the dramatic change in temperature. Down here amongst the massive steam turbines, you can spin the dial on the original salt tablet dispenser to get an electrolyte tablet, exactly what the crew did to survive the brutal, blistering heat of the engine room. Before you leave, stop by the radio room. Amazingly, a local volunteer radio club still uses this space today to broadcast messages to sailors currently serving out at sea. The SS American Victory is more than a museum. She is a monument to American industrial might and the courage of the merchant marines who risked everything to keep the world moving. Come aboard, explore her 9 decks, and anchor your place in history. Thank you so much for joining us today on this full tour of the SS American Victory. We hope you enjoyed exploring the 9 decks of this magnificent 455-foot cargo vessel and experiencing the incredible history of the merchant mariners who braved the seas to keep the world moving. If you are ever in the Tampa area, we highly encourage you to come down to the Channel District and check out this living museum for yourself. It's an unforgettable chance to get hands-on with history. Be sure to check the description below this video for a link to the ship's official website, where you can find visiting hours and links to their Facebook and Instagram pages to keep up with special events. If you do plan a visit, don't forget to ask about their admission deals. They offer discounts for students, teachers, first responders, active military, and veterans. You can even get half off your ticket if you visited the Florida Aquarium right next door. Thank you again for watching. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below to let us know which part of the ship you will be most excited to see in person. Until next time, keep exploring